Hi guys, do you all regularly jam on your music when you are out and about? However, due to the environmental noise near you, you often can't get a good immersive enjoyment of your music. Well, today I found out about the OneOdio A30. It is a wireless Bluetooth headphone equipped with active noise cancellation to better my music listening experiences by eliminating unwanted noises out of my ears and giving me the music I want. The packaging looks professional and stylish in design. Let's proceed to check out what is inside the box. Inside the box, you will find one OneOdio carrying pouch, one OneOdio A30 headphones, packed nicely in the carry-on pouch provided. An airplane headphone adapter is provided so in case users like me are flying on a plane, we still can jam to our favorite beats with the airplane infotainment system with the adapter. Also included is an aux audio cable. It is included to allow users who want to manually connect their headphones to a source via the cable. A USB-C charging cable is also included along with a user guide, all packed nicely in the retail packaging. On first impressions, the OneOdio A30 ANC headphones look really elegant and modern in black. Just check it out. It looks amazing. There is leather padding around the ear speakers and headband, for better user comfort and flexibility. It has an ergonomic design with an adjustable headband design, that allows users to adjust the headband to an ideal length to fit their heads nicely. It is also flexible to fit my head comfortably. The ear cups are rotatable too for better fitting and user comfort. The design is also foldable on both sides to allow for a compact storage when the headphones are not in use. Pretty good design and user friendliness. Inside the ear cups, there will be labeling where R is for right side and L for left side so users know which way to wear the headphones correctly. On one end of the headphones, there will be an aux port for connecting of the aux cable, a power button and volume keys to wirelessly control the audio source. I will power it on now with a press of the power button. When the LED is flashing, it means it is ready to pair. There is an ANC switch which I can use to enable active noise cancellation or transparency mode. A USB-C charging port on the headphone too for me to charge up the headphone when battery is low. Now, I will go ahead to connect the headphones to my phone over Bluetooth. All I have to do is to head over to my phone's Bluetooth settings and connect to the OneOdio A30 headphones in the Bluetooth list. Once done, I can see the status as connected along with the battery level of the headphones. Great feature so I know when to charge the headphones. With a whole host of buttons on the headphones, I can use them to wirelessly control my audio output device, which is my smartphone. I can pause and play videos with a single press of the power key, while volume controls can be controlled by pressing the plus and minus keys to get the volume I want to the right setting. Also, I can double press the power key to activate voice assistant on my smartphone hands-free. Other control options are also available like hands-free picking up of calls. Good option for users to control their smartphones with the headphones. The ear cups are surrounded by soft and comfy headphone padding as you see. Look how soft and gentle they are when pressure is applied, the padding will absorb it. It is soft to the touch for user comfort during long music jamming durations. Even the headrest area is padded for better comfort to users for use. I can easily power it off, then fold the headphones into a compact shape, keep them in a carry-on pouch for protection and bring it around with me wherever I want, anywhere, anytime. Overall, I find the OneOdio A30 headphones a really comfortable, ergonomic and affordable piece of headphones that users who desire peace and quiet even when jamming music in public places as these headphones are really designed to emit and remove any noise in your surroundings.